Welcome to this channel. This is a complete tutorial. Here you will get learn how to install PostgreSQL database on Ubuntu and how to set password for default Postgres user. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to get more tutorials. Let's get started. If you want to install the latest version of PostgreSQL, copy this script and then open a new terminal and then paste here and then enter the password. Okay, now import the repository signing key, copy this script and paste here. Okay, now update the package list. Okay, now install the latest version of PostgreSQL with this command: sudo apt get or apt hyphen y install PostgreSQL. If you want to a specific version, use PostgreSQL hyphen and then enter the version name. Okay, now I am going to install latest version of PostgreSQL database on my machine. Now hit enter. It may take a while for installing PostgreSQL. Okay, now verify the installation with this command: okay, PostgreSQL 14.2 installed successfully on my machine. Now I am going to log in as the default user into PostgreSQL database with this command: sudo -u postgres psql postgres. Hit enter. Okay, now I am going to set a new password for Postgres user. Type \password for Postgres. Hit enter. Now enter a new password for user Postgres, that is the default user. Enter the same password. Enter same password again. Okay, now exit the psql shell. Okay, now I am going to log in to PostgreSQL with Postgres user with this command: psql -u postgres. Enter the password. If you get this error, peer authentication failed for the user, I am going to fix this issue. Open pg sba.config file, scroll down and change this line, the database administrative login. Here change peer to md5 function, and here change pair to md5 function. Now save this file. Okay. To apply the changes, restart PostgreSQL database service with this command: sudo service PostgreSQL restart. Hit enter. Okay, now log in to PostgreSQL database using Postgres user. That's it. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.